Assalamualaikum students, hope you all fine and well. According to today's lesson plan, we are going to solve exercise A of unit number 11, My Side of the Mountain. Let's move towards the exercise A, comprehension. The first one is answer the following questions. The first question is, where does the narrator live? Describe his home. Its answer is on page number 120. We can find the answer of this question here when he says, I made a snug cave in the tree and I now call home. So we knew that he lives in a tree. And he describes his home as, my bed is on the right as you enter and it is made of ash slats and covered with deerskin. On the left is a small fireplace about knee high. It is of clay and stones. It has a chimney that leads the smoke out through a knot hole. I chipped out 3 other knot holes to let fresh air in. Second question is, why is the narrator unsure of the exact date? We can find its answer here on page number 121 when he says, I am not sure because I have been just too busy gathering nuts and berries, smoking venison, fish and small game to keep up with the exact date. Next question is, how long has the narrator been living in the wild? We can find its answer again on page number 121 when he says, I ran away from home 8 months ago to live on the land. So we knew that he has been living for 8 months. Next question is, what activities keep the narrator busy? The same lines tell his activities. I have been just too busy gathering nuts and berries, smoking venison, fish and small game. These are some of the activities. Next question is, which 2 animals has been narrator given names to and what are the names? As we have already read the story, so we know that he has given the name Frightful to the falcon and Baron to a weasel. The next question is, how long has the narrator been inside because of the snowstorm? Let's find its answer. It's page number 122 and here we will find the answer. I'd never get out of my tree. I had been scared for 2 days. So we knew that he was stuck in the tree for 2 days. Next question is, what does the narrator do once the snowstorm has passed? Come to page number 122, first paragraph. He says, I did simply by poking my head into the soft snow and standing up, I laughed at my fears. This is what he did after the snowstorm. Next question is, how does he feel during the snowstorm? He was scared and afraid. The next question is, how does he feel after the snowstorm? Give evidence about what he said and did to support your answer. Its answer is on page number 122. We know that he was afraid when it was the time of snowstorm, but after that he was laughing at his fears, and after that he shouted, he whistled and he jumped and slid down the mountain. He was carefree and happy. Next question is, what skills does the narrator have that have helped him survive in the mountains? Its answer is on page number 122. Here we will find, I had been working since May, learning how to make a fire with flint and steel, finding what plants I could eat, how to trap animals and catch fish, all this so that when the curtain of blizzard struck the catskills, I could crawl inside my tree and be comfortably warm and have plenty to eat. These are the skills that he has learned to survive in the mountains. Now let's move towards A2. Answer the following questions with reference to context. The first line which has been taken from the text is, I laughed at my fears. And first question about it is, what had the narrator been afraid of? Its answer is the narrator had been afraid of blizzard. Blizzard means snowstorm. Next question is, why is he laughing now? Its answer is, he is laughing because he has survived the blizzard. Next line from the text is, I was good to be whistling and carefree again because I was sure scared by the coming of that storm. The first question related to it is, who is the narrator whistling to? Its answer is, he is whistling to Frightful, his falcon. Next question is, what had happened to the narrator? And its answer is, he had been stuck in the tree for 2 days. Next line from the text is, then I realized that the forest was dead quiet. The first question related to it is, why does it take the narrator a little while to realize that it is quiet? Its answer is, he is busy using the fire to smoke fish. Next question is, why is it quiet? Its answer is, all the animals have gone into hiding. The last question is, what is about to happen? And its answer is, a storm is coming. Now write down these answers on your book and learn them. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.